5 tips for a clean garage workshop. You park your car in the driveway and you still have to work on your projects in the backyard. If you don't use your garage for its design purpose, why not turn it into a tidy workshop? Here are 5 steps to turn your garage into a perfect small home workshop. 1. Create your own workbench from an old door, some sawhorses or scrap wood. 2. Mount a pegboard on the wall to store your tools. It would be a great idea to mount it above your workbench. Strategically place pegs according to the type of tools you will be placing on the board. After hanging your tools, trace around them with a marker so you will know where each one goes. 3. Use old jars for holding nails, nuts, bolts and screws. 4. Make a storage box for the rags because they tend to accumulate in the working area. 5. Use a small tackle box for transporting items such as screws and nails as you move around the shop.